Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're basically talking about how sometimes it's just easier to get assistance with Thai visa matters. So again, I'm not against do-it-yourselfers in any way, shape, or form. In fact, most of the time, COVID was kind of an odd anomaly. For about 3 years in there were folks that just needed, the process was such that it was complex. It changed on nearly, it seemed like, a daily basis. Under those circumstances, it was kind of a necessity to get assistance with immigration here to Thailand, just because it was quite cumbersome. Now, there were people that did do it, go through the process themselves, but other people, in fact, I think a lot of people sought our assistance of others here in Thailand. The point I'm trying to make with this video is there's nothing wrong with do-it-yourself per se, but sometimes, it's just easier. I look at it like, look, you can do your own tax return or you could have someone prepare it for you. It just kind of depends on your own personal taste, how you want to do that. That said, I thought of making this video after reading a recent comment on our channel, quoting directly, "I tried to apply for a 90-day tourist visa last year. I went through the web process with the embassy in Los Angeles, but when I tried to pay, the site wouldn't accept my credit cards. I contacted the embassy and we tried everything. I even had them walk me through the application. I even applied and received a new credit card and was still denied. I ended up getting a 30-day on arrival and extending for another 30. That's why I came to you guys for my retirement." So again, and thanks very much for the comment there. And yeah, if that person came to us, we would have, and we would have processed through their retirement visa. Sometimes it's just easier. Sometimes it's just easier to go ahead and have somebody assist you rather than trying to deal with it yourself. Look, I don't really like any of the new digitization of any of the immigration apparatuses. I've been dealing with U.S. immigration for 17 years now, and the last 3 have gotten increasingly miserable in dealing with the immigration apparatus because it's digitized. Quite honestly, the old systems were better. The analog systems, there was more accountability. There was more interaction. There was more room for special circumstances to deal with details of, the nature of your case and why you should get a visa, regardless of the fact it may not fit into some cookie cutter category. Again, all this sort of falls by the wayside as digitization is being brought on. And then meanwhile, those that aren't familiar with these digital systems and websites can really find themselves in a situation where they're just spinning their wheels. So at the end of the day, and the purpose of this video is sometimes it might just be easier to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.